Hi Pisces, welcome back to my channel Little Love Stories. Today I'm gonna do your weekly love reading for the month of October. Keep in mind that these readings are general. This may be resonate with you or maybe not resonate with each and every one of you. If it resonates with you, you can take guideline from this reading, and if it not resonate with you, you can simply ignore it. And for covering every area of your love life, I will take 4 cards for your partner's feeling, attention, and control situation, 4 cards for your feeling, attention, and control situation, and 2 cards for mutual energies. Okay, Pisces, let's get started. What are the Pisces person's feelings toward Pisces? What are the Pisces person's feelings toward Pisces? What are the Pisces person's feeling and thinking towards Pisces? And we are having here the Moon, 3 of Cups, 8 of Swords, 8 of Pentacles. So, what are the Pisceans feelings toward this person? What are the Pisceans feelings toward this person? We are having here Magician, Wheel of Fortune, Hanged Man, Chariot, all the major cards in your side, Pisces. So, what are the mutual energies? What are the mutual energies? 5 of Wands, King of Swords. Okay, these are your cards and sign that could relate to your person. It could be any Pisces with this Moon card. Again, Pisces with this Hanged Man, Cancer with this Chariot, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn with this 8 of Pentacles, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius with this 8 of Swords and King of Sword, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius with this 5 of Wands, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces with this 3 of Cups. Okay, let's talk about your person's feeling first, Pisces, and your person fear in fears and in shadows, and they feel so insecure, and their thoughts, like because of their thoughts, they feel so stuck in their thoughts, and they feel like that they are tied up somewhere, and they're feeling the pressure, a lot of pressure on them, and they feel so stuck in this pressure and this thinking, and they feel so insecure, and they want to, like, this kind of this is this person current situation, this is this person current situation. This person feels stuck somewhere, and this person feels so insecure. This person in some kind of shadow. There's not clarity in this person's life. This person feels they are standing into dark, and also this is their feeling towards you, like you are enjoying your friendship, you are in a party mood, they are feeling like that you are in a party mood, and this person want to work on this connection with you. They want to work on these, they want to come over these fears and want to work on this connection with you. They are working on themselves as well, to free themselves from these thoughts, these unnecessary thoughts and unnecessary pressure. They are taking a lot of pressure, and they want to work on themselves and to take themselves uh, came out from this 8 of Sword energy. And this is, they can feel in this week, like this is happening in circle, like eight like eight, this is happening in circles. They are taking a lot of pressure. They work on this, and then again they feel so pressure, and they feel like that you are in a party mood, you are enjoying your friendship, you are just only, you're just in a party mood, and you are traveling either here, and you are enjoying your friendship, and this person is insecure, Pisces. So let's see what is in your feelings. And there is all 4 major arcana card, and you are like luck is in your favor right now. These are strong energies, Pisces. Luck in your favor, wheel is turning in your favor. Whatever you want to control, you will control that. Whatever you want to go, you will go there and grab that. And you maybe feel like that you are stuck, but the thing is that nothing is stuck with this Wheel of Fortune. Whatever, yes, you are stuck, you will feel some kind of stuckness in your way, like you want to move forward, but with this Wheel of Fortune it will be move forward. You will move forward with this Chariot and with this Wheel of Fortune. wheel is in your favor, and whatever you want to control, you will control. You will get over like strong energy. You are in a strong, you will feel this strong energy in this week, in this in these 7 days. You will feel that you are stuck and you are trying to control the situation, and feel is in your favor. There is some kind of ups and down in your way, like you want to move forward in your life, you want to move forward in this situation, you want to move this situation forward, and you feel stuck first, but then you will feel movement. Like this is a movement card, this is also a movement you will feel. And if you try to control anything, if you want to get over something, you will get over. And in mutual energies, five of wands, this person is feeling some kind of competition. There is a lot of ideas, there is disputes, there is arguments, there is fighting, there is people involved in this situation, and this person is in some kind of competition. And you are so cold, you are so cold toward this situation. Your feelings are cold, you are so straightforward, you are so on the point, you are on the spot, you are so cold, you are like a robot, you are like unright, and doing what that is right, and you are doing the right things in your life. In this situation, in this week, you will do whatever is right. So let's see what else we have for you, Pisces. What else for Pisces? What else for Pisces? Four of Cups, Ace of Sword, and as an outcome, Page of Swords. And this person feel like that you are in a no mood. You are not paying attention to this person at all. This person is feeling like that. Whatever this person is offering you, you are not paying attention. You are in a heavy energies. Pisces in this week, a lot of heavy energies. Whatever energy is surrounding you, you will get over this. You feel in your favor. You will control. People will like you lead people. People will a little bit like they avoid to show you some kind of attitude. If they try to show you some kind of attitude, you will definitely cut this their so-called ego. You will cut them, you will give them this sword. If people try to show you some kind of ego and attitude, you will cut this their ego and attitude with this sword. You will give them a sword, and you are in a really warrior mood. You are in a your warrior is awakened inside you, Pisces. And with this Page of Sword, yes, you are in a warrior kind of energy. You will feel in this week you are in this sharp energy, and you will ready to cut everything that come into way, that try to hurt you, try to show you ego, try to show you some kind of attitude. And yes, this person feeling right. You are stubborn, you are in a no mood, and you are your own boss in this situation. You are your own boss, Pisces. These are your cards, and what advice messages I should have for you in the end. Give yourself a space, love yourself. No need to fix, need to accept, move on, and think about yourself and value yourself. Stop making bad choices. And these are few advice messages. In the end, the summary of your reading is this person is in some kind of shadows. This person is in some kind of they feel so insecure inside, and their thoughts, they're taking a lot of pressure. You are like a warrior, you are like a supercharged knight right now, Pisces, and everything is in your favor. And if someone try to give you some kind of BS, you will cut this BS. These are your summary of your readings. Hope this helpful for you. If it helpful for you, tell me in comments. And thank you so much for your time and your attention. God bless you. Bye.